Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into one of the most talked about luxury diesel motorhomes of the year, the 2026 Fleetwood Discovery LXE. If you are someone who loves premium RV living, long road trips with full comfort, or you are planning to upgrade to a high-end Class A motorhome, this review is going to be worth your time. The Discovery LXE has always been known for blending luxury, smart design, and real-world usability, and the 2026 model takes that reputation even further. From the moment you step inside the 2026 Fleetwood Discovery LXE, the sense of space is the first thing that stands out. Thanks to its wide-body design and flat-floor construction, the interior feels open and residential rather than like a typical motorhome. Fleetwood has focused heavily on making the living area feel like a modern luxury apartment on wheels. Large panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light, making the space feel even bigger during the day, while high-quality window shades give you privacy and insulation when needed. The living area is designed for both relaxation and entertainment. Plush seating options include theater seats with heat and massage functions, along with a spacious sofa that easily converts into additional sleeping space. The materials used throughout the cabin feel premium, from the soft touch upholstery to the solid surface countertops. Fleetwood has paid attention to every detail, including accent lighting that adds a warm and elegant atmosphere during evening hours. Moving into the kitchen, the Discovery LXE truly shines in terms of functionality and storage. The kitchen layout is thoughtfully planned to give you maximum counter space, making meal preparation easy even on long trips. Solid surface countertops are paired with a deep stainless steel sink and a high-end residential-style faucet. The induction cooktop provides efficient cooking while being safer and easier to clean than traditional gas burners. A convection microwave oven and a large residential refrigerator ensure that you have all the appliances you need to live comfortably on the road. Storage in the kitchen is generous, with soft close drawers, overhead cabinets, and a well-organized pantry. Fleetwood has clearly designed this space for full-time RVers as well as long vacation trips. Everything has its place, and the cabinetry feels sturdy and built to last, which is exactly what you want in a luxury diesel motorhome. The dining area is equally impressive, offering a comfortable dinette with ample seating. Whether you are enjoying a quick breakfast or hosting guests for dinner, the dining space feels inviting and practical. Large windows nearby provide scenic views, turning every meal into a memorable experience. As we move toward the bedroom area, the Discovery LXE continues to deliver on comfort and space. The master bedroom features a king-size bed with a premium mattress, ensuring restful sleep after a long day of driving or exploring. Surrounding the bed are nightstands, overhead storage cabinets, and USB charging ports, making the space both cozy and functional. The bedroom also includes a large wardrobe with hanging space and drawers, giving you enough room for extended travel without feeling cramped. One of the standout features in the 2026 model is the bathroom design. Depending on the floor plan, you get a spacious bath and a half or a well-laid-out full bathroom. The main bathroom includes a large residential-style shower with glass doors, a skylight for natural light, and high-quality fixtures. The vanity area offers solid surface countertops, ample storage, and a large mirror, making it feel more like a home bathroom than an RV one. Technology is another area where the Fleetwood Discovery LXE excels. The 2026 model is equipped with a modern multiplex control system that allows you to control lighting, climate, and other systems from a central touchscreen or even a mobile device. Multiple large LED TVs are placed throughout the coach, including an exterior entertainment system, perfect for outdoor gatherings or relaxing evenings under the stars. A premium sound system ensures high-quality audio whether you are watching movies or listening to music. Under the hood, the Discovery LXE is powered by a reliable diesel engine mounted on a robust Freightliner chassis. This setup provides a smooth and confident driving experience, even on long highway journeys. Advanced safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and collision mitigation systems add peace of mind, especially for drivers new to large motorhomes. Exterior storage is another strong point. The Discovery LXE offers large pass-through storage compartments with power assist doors, making it easy to carry everything from camping gear to outdoor furniture. The exterior finish features premium full-body paint with modern graphics, giving the motorhome a sleek and upscale appearance wherever it goes. Overall, The 2026 Fleetwood Discovery LXE is a well-balanced luxury diesel motorhome that delivers comfort, space, and advanced features without feeling overcomplicated. It is designed for travelers who want residential comfort, modern technology, and dependable performance all in one package. Whether you plan to travel full-time or enjoy extended road trips, this motorhome offers a lifestyle that feels both luxurious and practical.